Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to build distance meter. Within 2 minutes we will build this project. Follow these steps. Components required are just breadboard, ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno with cable with some jumper wires. Let's watch the connections of the ultrasonic sensor. VCC pin connect to the 5V Arduino pin, ground to ground, trigger pin to D9 pin of Arduino, echo pin to D10 pin of Arduino. Let's see the working of this distance meter. The sensor sends ultrasonic sound waves out. When they hit an object, the waves bounce back. Arduino measures the time taken and calculates the distance using the speed of time. This whole setup looks to be like. Let's dive into code. I will provide code in the description. You copy this code and paste the code in this Arduino IDE platform and first compile and upload the code in Arduino. You will see there is 30 centimeters. In laptop serial begin operator also showing distance 30 centimeters approximately. So this device is working distance meter. Now check distance by varying object. Look, it's 20 centimeters. We will see the scale. It's also 20 centimeters. Thanks for watching full video. Subscribe for more electronic projects. Go to home page and watch more videos.